أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
أفمن كان على بينة من ربه ويتلوه شاهد منه ومن قبله كتاب موسى إماما ورحمة أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به من الأحزاب فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
Is he who possesses a clear proof from his Lord, recited by a witness from him, and before it the book of Moses, a guide and a mercy? These believe in it. But whoever defies it from among the various factions, the fire is his promise. So have no doubt about it. It is the truth from your Lord, but most people do not believe.